Got everyone packing up today. Except for Will, who don't do anything. Back here. Got them packing up closet.
Where's the zip tie?
I don't know.
I just came out of the closet.
Wow. Okay. It's coming along. We got Mare doing something.
Put that in the vlog, Claire?
That's our actual expressions of right now. Let's be real. Get it, Han? Say hey to the vlog! Look who just got here! Mwah! I love you.
I love you.
Ah!
Michael. No, that was
That was not Michael. That was that Thomas. Your hair's so beautiful. Not over here, boys. Drinking a cold one at 10 a.m. in the morning.
No, I'm drinking tea.
Okay, except for I see your buttholes right there. I wish I could
from
drink.
yesterday.
Too bad I'm not old enough.
That's from yesterday.
That's sad. I actually said good morning, but good morning and afternoon. Dave's like judging me. He was totally just copying me. Anyways, so I've yet to shower. It's been kind of crazy this morning. Let's be real. We live at the Heasley household, if anyone knows, which I know you guys all do. It's crazy. So now we're packing, and wait, what is that?
This is America at its finest. Come watch.
I don't know. Did you draw that?
I drew that when I was young.
Wow. Such talent in this house. Such talent. Anyways, it is pretty sunny out, and I'm in a long sleeve, and I should probably...
I drew Olaf before he was a thing.
Wait, let me see. Oh, there. Wait, you can't see it. There it is. Anyways, yeah, so we will be packing all day. How fun. Okay, see you later. Now go.
She wanted me to tell the vlog that books aren't allowed in my house. They're banned.
Because they're lame. No one likes books. What? What do you want? Okay, fine. I'll bring the garbage. Oh, Magdalene, are you in the window? Bringing the garbage to it.
Look how thick this one is.
And you're
About
never gonna
choosing a Catholic college.
Guess what? You chose
I didn't
the
even
wrong
open that
Catholic
book.
college. You chose the wrong Catholic college. Davey grabbing my clothes. He could barely grab it. I have so many clothes I'm getting rid of.
Or it's just falling.
Getting rid of all the stuff. I got a box right.
That was so big because your clothes are huge and you're fat. You should have
I
offered it
know.
up to your fit followers first.
Fit Lover needs to get more fit.
We know. He's making pudding inside.
Yeah, I know, right?
Fit Lover eats pudding for breakfast.
Yeah,
how you
that's
get
not
fit.
all I eat for breakfast. Big Fam is eating pudding. And I made them, but I actually don't like pudding, so I'm not eating it. Flex, let's go.
Ready?
Fam. Yeah, that's right. That's our family.
17 weeks right here.
11 right here.
She's actually
One beer.
I know I am.
Question of the vlog: do you eat your string cheese by biting or stringing? Let me know in the comments below. Melissa is pregnant and she is the size of a lime right now. There is a size of a lime in her stomach.
It's a baby.
Well, you know, you get it. You get
The
it.
size of a lime.
Yeah, that's really big actually.
There you
What
go.
you guys do?
We're just tasting.
Yeah, the entire box. Seriously though, what did you do? Other side.
They put the cast iron pans in this huge
And it's
box.
a little heavy.
Now it's
so
to make.
sure.
Way too heavy. Oh my goodness.
You got this.
Oh, broke. I'm not doing that.
Let me just. You're complaining about everything.
I just want to let the world know how much I hate moving, hate packing. Even though I'm not barely doing anything, I decided I hate it. And I never want to do it again.
Right now, we hate her attitude.
Yeah, I do have an attitude because this is annoying.
Yeah, well, sometimes you have to do things you don't want to do.
I don't want to do things I don't want to do.
You're eating my apples.
I'm really tired. I should probably just lay down. Oh, sorry, didn't see you there.
Trying to get the food of our house, and we actually can eat a lot of junk. The Google Internet stuff.
Don't worry, didn't eat it.
Google ice cream.
What are you doing, man? Yeah, so it's got 3 like hot spots kind of. You put one on each
Got there for the vlog.
and then you screen asking if you
Run
have
away, baby.
Well, I ended up taking a shower and I took a nap because my family took a break and I was like, nap time for me. I was done. Of course, gets a zit from stress. Not surprised at all, no. And now we are making, well, I am making breakfast burritos for dinner to just use up whatever we have. Honestly, improvise because we don't really have much in our fridge and freezers because and all of our canned goods, everything all packed up. So I'm just using what we have. But today was, let me just tell you, stressful. It was very stressful and a lot of arguing, yelling, drinking, you know. Gotta do whatever you gotta do to get through today with my family. Yeah, so I'm glad the day is like kind of over. My parents are gone right now running an errand. I don't know what they're doing. But then I want to say we're done for the night, but you never know. We could be only partly done. Stay tuned. Over to Ponarelli's. I'm gonna go surprise Mia because why not? I'm just gonna ask her if she wants to go walk with me because I wasn't really doing anything. I just made a bunch of food for tomorrow because some people are coming over. We are moving. Do you see that sign right there? That is, oh my, that is the saddest thing. Okay, I gotta go. Someone watching. Rochelle. Hello.
I wasn't sure whoever that person said, so I was like, okay.
Oh, is Mia here?
She's upstairs.
Cool. Mia Ponarelli.
What are you doing here?
What do you think I'm doing here? Surprise. Look who we picked up on the street. Literally picked them up on the streets. Where's Tess? Wow. There you are. We're going on a walk. On my way to Mia's again. This time it's like 10 o'clock at night. We're probably gonna watch a movie and I want to eat her cereal because she's got cereal. Spending the last few days that we got together. But anyways, Hannah was like, what, are you guys BFFs now? Because funny story, when we were younger, probably like, I want to say like maybe 10, I don't know, maybe younger, I don't know. We like did not like each other. We actually hated each other. Like I never wanted to play with her. I thought she was so annoying, bratty. But now we're like best friends and it's just really funny. I don't know. And her brothers always were like make fun of it because we were like super not close at all. But now we are close and it's just funny. But yeah, so I'm gonna go over to her house and eat her food and watch her movie. This girl came through! She just came and picked us up and literally it's 10:30 at night. I love her so much. Now we're gonna go to our new house and go look at the outside because she has yet to see it. And then who knows, we'll see what other Mia, Therese, and Rochelle adventures we got today.
Yeah. Large fry and 2 Oreo McFlurries.
Large fry and 2 Oreo McFlurries. Would that be it?
A large fry and an ice cream cone.
Okay, and another large fry and an ice cream cone.
Ranch on the side.
All right,
And
so
ranch.
2 large
Extra
fries
ranch.
And then an ice cream cone. And you said Oreo McFlurry, right?
2 Oreo McFlurries.
All right.
And ranch.
And can you add some ranch on the side?
Please don't forget.
Yeah, sure. I'll just give you 3.
Thank you.
No problem. Would that be it?
Yes.
Your total comes out to be $12.20.60 the first one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. The guy was so funny.
Oh, Mies, you have your card.
Oh, shit.
26.
Hang on.
Thanks. Thank you.
Second time here this week and I never even go to McDonald's.
Honestly,
say
what is wrong?
literally. I think
Sure.
trying to move up the light.
Oh, it's okay.
Thank you.
He took your order and he said, "Oh, she sounds so sweet."
Aww, that's cute. Hi. Oh, I told you he was nice. I told you. Good.
Thank you. Here, hold
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the range in there for you, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Take that.
Shut down.
For no one to give us the ranch.
Literally. Trey, last
That
time.
clearly was not the guy
They didn't
talking
give
on
us-
the phone. Let me
Yeah,
tell you.
it's so true. That was not the guy talking about.
that guy.
I
I know, he sounded cute. Is that a thing? Like, the voice can sound cute?
No, he definitely
Should I
did
go
sound
for
cute.
it? I'm going.
Whoa, Trey being this nice! I love it. I don't know what is going on. Apparently, there's a huge bug in the car. It's wait, where? Oh my God, where is it? I give up. Where is it?
It's a gigantic freaking
My spider's sitting in my ranch.
I don't see anything.
I'll get it. Take my stuff.
fly in my face while I'm driving.
I'll get it.
Did you guys not see that?
No. I saw it. Where is it?
Oh my gosh, it's gone.
Ew, it's probably on you, Michelle.
bench.
OMG! Wait, for real? We have to go. We're being so shady right now. Just open the windows and let's go. Wait, let's go.
I'm scared now. Let's go.
I'm scared.
Try
In the vents. It's in the vents.
Now we're straddling the skateboard line. Can you see? If you've watched Rock to Remember, you know what's up. Okay, let's go get it. Okay, wait, is it a good spot? Okay. That's your shady car. Okay.
See, like when you guys stood.
Oh, yeah, they'll be cute. Okay, we're
we'll
good.
get in.
We're gonna get it.
Wait, that works so good! Okay. No. That's good. With the flash, it works way better.
Oh. I feel like we
Gotta
might
get
be
that
in
walk
the
to
back
remember.
behind you. And it's too dark.
Yeah, okay, go. Go again. Yeah, honestly, just
Wait, get behind her.
straddle the hoop. Let's see.
You need like.
Hang on, I wanna read.
Strong love is one